to overcome numbers. Just see how beautiful numbers are. There's only one thing in the world that doesn't tell a lie. Those are numbers. You see, what is true in Russia is true in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. You go to China, same. 2 plus 2 makes 4.
Hello. Today I am going to tell you the story of Shakuntala Devi. There has never been a mathematician who could do calculations faster than her. She was born in 1929 at Bangalore in a traditional Brahmin family. It was at the tiny age of 3 years that she started doing really quick mental calculations, and everybody noticed her.
So how young were you when you discovered you had this gift?
3 years old.
3 साल का उम्र से मैं ये सब कर रही हूँ.
As more people began to notice Shakuntala's talent and her mathematical abilities, her father thought that her talents could be exploited. So Shakuntala and her father collaborated in the many road shows where Shakuntala would showcase her quick mental mathematical abilities as well as the many card, date and day of the week tricks.
स्कूल तुझे क्या सिखाएगा? उल्टा स्कूल को ही सिखा देगी.
This deprived Shakuntala of a formal education as well as a normal childhood. She could not study mathematics further in a formal way, and hence her talent, her abilities were limited.
7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. 49 multiplied by 7 is equal to 343. 343 multiplied by 7 is equal to 2401. 2401 multiplied by 49 is equal to 117649.
That's correct.
Right?
That's
117649 multiplied by 7 is equal to 82354.
My God.
Okay?
With a gift and abilities, she could have added to many new theories in the field of mathematics, done a lot of new research, but alas, she was limited by not having a formal education.
Nobody challenges me. I challenge myself.
But Shakuntala Devi was not just gifted and talented, she was also very, very focused.
I should be seeing only the numbers and nothing else.
She was an icon. Shakuntala Devi travelled across India and to most countries across the world. And what did she do? She went to schools and colleges trying to do her shows on mathematics, on quick calculations using mental mathematics, using Vedic mathematics. And what was the rationale for that? She wanted the children, the students, the aspirants of competitive examinations to drive away their fear of mathematics, because she was aware that many people fear mathematics.
ज़्यादातर लोगों को लगता है कि मैथ्स तो बोरिंग है.
Lot of students who have been very poor in mathematics, they pick up very nicely.
Shakuntala Devi always wanted to share her methods of quick calculations, and thus she wrote numerous books on mathematics which are even today widely read and respected.
I have written books where I have explained my various techniques.
She wrote 20 books in 2 years.
Actually, I've written books for children. I have written books for primary school children, high school children, and I've written books for college students.
Those who do Infosys, those who do IT, those who do MBA, they all have to read my books in order to pass the aptitude test.
Speaking of her writing abilities, you would be surprised to know that Shakuntala Devi wrote a cookbook, and she even wrote a crime thriller.
She also wrote a crime thriller.
Crime story. It's a novel based on a real murder that took place in Patna.
But it doesn't get better than this.
I've written 3 books on gambling.
Shakuntala Devi never gambled because she thought with her mathematical abilities, if she gambled, she would be too good to lose. And just like that, one day, on 18th of June 1980, at the Imperial College of London, Shakuntala Devi registered her name in the Guinness Book of World Records. What was the reason? She wound up doing a long drawn calculation that involved 2 numbers of multiple digits faster than the computer.
I think I was quicker than the computer, if I'm not mistaken. I was asked to multiply
a 13-digit number by another 13-digit number. And I did it.
No one had achieved this feat earlier, and people present there say that her feat was almost automatic, and the few seconds she took was actually to dictate the answer.
So you are the woman who can solve any math problem faster than a calculator.
World famous Shakuntala Devi.
I think it's amazing too. I've grown up with computers and she seems to even beat those.
Shakuntala Devi earned global fame and recognition. She utilized the power of her mind to gain a place in the hearts of people. She was a well-known face. She traveled the world, and everywhere she went, she was an ambassador for India.
I act as a goodwill ambassador. Indira Gandhi once told me, Shakuntala, remember, I've got so many ambassadors all over the world, but you are a very special ambassador because you are a roving ambassador, a mathematical ambassador who can win friends for India and build up close relationship between country to country.
Yet she had her eccentricities. One fine day, Shakuntala Devi decided to fight an election against Indira Gandhi.
Tried to enter politics.
Yes, she did.
Stood for elections against Indira Gandhi. She was the only computer with a sense of humor.
Today we can definitely view this with a sense of humor. But sample this. Shakuntala Devi even had very strong views against the communist regimes of Russia and China.
The only explanation I can give is I am spreading the message of God. You know, I have this divine gift in me. And I wouldn't know how to do it in a communist country.
She did face a variety of challenges, and one of them was that the person she got married to, her husband, was possibly a homosexual. It is observing her own challenges and the identity crisis that a homosexual husband may have possibly faced in a very conservative society like India.
First book on homosexuality was written by her.
The World of Homosexuals.
The World of Homosexuals in 1977.
It remains a pioneering work in the field, though it was much criticized in her own time.
I met a few people who were suffering from tremendous mental crisis because they were different. So at that stage, I wanted to help them.
Shakuntala felt that she needed to help these people and carried a lot of empathy for the homosexual community. Nonetheless, Shakuntala's life was always full of anecdotes.
जब amazing हो सकती हूँ, तो normal क्यों बनूँ?
Once she met the celebrated sitar player, Pandit Ravi Shankar, in a flight. She could not recognize him, but Shakuntala, being Shakuntala, instead did this.
If you are really fond of sitar, you should get a few lessons from Ravi Shankar. I told him, you know. And he said, I am Ravi Shankar.
There was nothing Shakuntala Devi could not do or feared doing.
The human computer, traveling the world, doing shows. She wrote books.
As per the tradition of a Brahmin family, Shakuntala was also an astrologer. She could prepare the birth chart and do future readings of an individual. Many since her times have wondered and still continue to wonder how Shakuntala managed to do complex, multi-step, arbitrary and logic-based calculations in fraction of seconds. Something that seemed almost impossible to the normal human mind.
God gave me this gift.
I've been doing it all my life.
I just do it in the mind. I don't know. I don't have an explanation for that.
She was truly one of a kind.
She is in the Guinness Book of World Records for a 1980 feat at a London university, multiplying two 13-digit numbers in 28 seconds. Far superior to anything previously reported.
In a soon-to-be-released Bollywood film, Vidya Balan plays the protagonist in a tribute to the mathematical genius to Shakuntala Devi.
मैथ्स में रूल्स नहीं है, सिर्फ जादू है। तैयार हो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड मैथ्स से दोस्ती करने के लिए?
Vidya has often spoken fondly about Shakuntala Devi and her character in the film.
One, she had a wicked sense of humor that she never doubted herself.
Shakuntala Devi, the film, does give us a chance to fondly remember the person the phenomenon, the legend that was Shakuntala Devi.
I'm more human than a computer. That's all I can tell you.
I am a common person with an uncommon gift.